then shoot. Ah! Wait, Sarah! Jesus Christ. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new sunny day here in France. Get a little chill vibes. You guys, all you have a saying, so when man a plan, God a wife, and that's my case. I had a whole day planned from last night. Take out outfits for Sarah to go to school this morning, for Tyler to come along with me. Me and Tyler are supposed to go to the library, but honey child, none of that happened. I've been home all day because Sarah had a struggle night. I don't think I got 2 hours sleep last night. She coughed, some unbearable cough last night. So I was up with her most of the time. She was just trying to get that cold off her chest, which she ended up getting a lot of it off, which was good, and she fell asleep way into this morning. So I decided that, you know what, I'm gonna call school and tell them that she's not coming in this morning, which was best. So I did that. Hopefully she'll be better so she can go back on Monday. Sometimes when I feel like you're moving forward, there's always something that push you a step backward, but I'm not gonna think about it like that because it just means that she wasn't supposed to go this morning. I always look at things that way. So though she didn't go to school, she napped really well in the afternoon. I was saying to babe, maybe because she's extra tired from all of that drama last night. So she napped well, so I decided that okay, I'm still going to head to my end of week shopping. So I'm heading out to the supermarket right now. So the next clip you'll see is a supermarket haul. So make sure that you subscribe right now because you know that the supermarket haul is always lit with the entire crew, entire gang. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. She's here, Bubbly is here, well clad and ready for the streets. Let me see if she'll say hello to you guys. She's been into this book. What is this?
Triangle.
Good job. Say hello, Fibs.
I directed that triangle.
She been loving this book and she can't leave the house, leave it. So what is that? Rectangle. Good job. So there you go with Sarah. Tyler is somewhere around here. Let's go and find my boy. Let me see if I have time. Oh, I almost have to go. Where is Ty? Hello, you.
Hello. Wagwan.
Ready to head down the street?
Yes.
You use the toilet?
Yes.
Alright, let's go, baby. It was killing me. Hi! Look who is here! Sarah, hey! Sarah, don't play the banner spot in the man. Hello, I'm here. Sarah, say hello, babe. No, Sarah, leave my flowers in peace. She no flowers like her mama, you see? Sarah, no. See your own here from last week. Here. You guys, we're back from the supermarket haul and the whole gang is here. So today's haul is not gonna be a lot because I didn't want to buy too much today. I didn't want too much, so I bought what I needed. So let's do this. Ready, Sarah? Ready?
Papa, le carnaval, ça va être mercredi pour l'école.
Let's go. Okay, let's see if Sarah know what this is. What is this?
Pizza.
No.
Pizza.
Cake.
Cake.
Cheesecake.
Gâteau.
You guys, you know that's my weakness.
Slime.
And normally I pick up two, but having Sarah. Yes, it's cheesecake. for the win? Yeah, girl.
Sarah.
I pick up 2 because Sarah loves cake and Tyler loves a cheesecake. So, babe and I wouldn't be able to eat it.
She will want it now.
Wait. You have it after, okay? Yes. Yes, Sarah?
Miss Mama?
Yes, you soon get it. What is this?
No! Mama?
Yes. You want to taste the cake? Oh, God. You can't resist her.
Here's the second
No, we're
one.
giving her a piece of hers. Let's see her reaction. Ah?
Cheesecake for the win. More.
Stop doing your hands like that. Stop doing your hands like that. Put them on here. Good. Don't like see when she do this.
Why you don't like?
I guess you know, okay. Anyway, let's go. Tyler, dig in.
Woo!
Was on sale. Tyler favorite biscuit. Brings more, please. Sarah approves. She said more.
We welcome pot, whatever they call it in English.
Ask Sarah what that is.
Sana si cosa?
Good job.
Bravo!
Sarah eating her cheesecake.
Mama,
Yes,
can I
Sarah.
have some of mine?
Sure, but you have yours when you finish
What is
the
it?
house, okay?
I won't say I discover, because I reach at the cashier, but in the same time I pay a look better. Oh, that looks nice.
Go to tablet.
This too.
Yes, you have tablet after. So you have chicken, we have then you guys, let's go.
Oh, here we say let's go. To push you.
Oh no.
After Sarah.
Danette. Look, that's French fry. I don't know if Danette is everywhere.
Sarah, but how you eating cake before you
This
eat
is
it?
very famous here.
Well, no, I know I'm not to show her the cake because Lord, she wants it.
So we have a bread.
Bread.
Oh, but we also have some panini. We have some
Me too.
saver, like you can use the. I need to manage the oven.
Sarah.
We have a cup, a
Can
silly
you
cup,
remind me of anybody see samosa?
a big girl.
I'm looking in mine.
That's okay. When you find them, you give them to me.
I don't
Back
have
up,
them.
Tyler.
We have some apples here, apples for the snack, apple for the smoothie, whatever it is. And we have some yogurt for Sarah.
I put in the frozen ones. When you find the samosa, you give them to me.
We have juice. I'm gonna discover what is that.
Continue.
Oh, we have a tangerine. You call it tangerine?
Yes, tangerine.
Tangerine.
Tyler, continue this one. Sarah, no tablet. Tablet finish.
Oh, we have fresh and frozen.
Donuts, one remain. No. Donuts, one remain.
Donuts, one remain. And how many was in the pack?
Samosa and shrimp.
You want cake?
C'est quoi ça, Sarah?
She mad because I tell her I don't want tablet.
No, that's not
That's
chicken.
shrimp.
Shrimp.
She's so big. Come, here's cake.
We have chocolate, rice cake.
Sarah loves that.
We have 4 lamb.
Yes,
And
we love
kiwi.
names around here.
And kiwi.
No, I don't want those tonight. Those gonna go in the freezer.
We have cereals and lentil. She loves to get lentil. You
I
get
love
lentil
lentil
in
too.
Jamaica too?
Yeah, it's like gungu for us. I love to have lentil for lunch when I don't feel like having salad. I like it's a good healthy substitute.
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
We have some waffles.
We are healthy here.
And we have avocado.
No, we are not healthy here. We are
Long
balanced here.
time I didn't get to eat avocado.
That's
What the cashew?
Sequan cashew. That's the guess in the comment section for today. Sequan noix de cashew.
C'est quoi
Noix
en
de
français, c'est quoi?
Cashew.
Cashew.
Raisin, high five.
Cashew.
Good job.
C'est quoi ça en anglais?
And Tyler's favorite bags.
Spring.
So we have the usual yogurts for
You
breakfast.
hungry?
We have good amount. We have the last.
Yogurt.
But I still have my popcorn.
Papa says you're
You can do it this weekend. You want her If you not open it.
In my water.
They don't
want to
see
see
him.
you. They don't want to see you.
He said, Papa, they don't see me.
We have a monster munch here. The monster is Sarah and the munch is Tyler. So I'll call them the M&M.
That's not really true because it's me eating most of it last week. So don't blame them this time. Banana for the monkey.
Yeah.
We have some cereal bar.
Yes, cereal bar save me every now and then.
Yeah, I think I need to bring.
Mama, it's almost finished.
Always have one in your bag. We have some
yes.
pistachio.
When you're on the road, it's good to have some kind of snack in your bag.
Mila.
C'est quoi ça en français,
We
Sarah?
have a crepe, French specialty.
Reza, bravo.
This is not the fancy.
You want Reza?
When you think about crepe,
Mila.
you think about something fancy and you'll enjoy. This is just 15 one in one pack.
Tyler, he don't like always drink
A
water.
€3 for 15.
Tyler love crepe.
We have ham.
And because I don't get the crepe recipe done fat, so we have to buy it up some.
And honey.
Honey,
And
I have
that's
to
it.
give Sarah a lot of honey and lemon lately.
And that's it. Biscuit.
And that's
Biscuit and Tyler favorite one till finish.
Lord of mercy.
Dada. Always.
Nana for mama.
Nana.
Nana for Zara. Nana.
Yes, you guys, supermarket haul wasn't big today at all.
Nana for mama.
Yes, they hear you.
Nana. Nana.
Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, I love a boy. Love a boy. Come, if you win, you get one more kiss from Sarah. If you lose, no more kiss. Come, let's see. Come, Sarah, rock, paper, scissors. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two tie. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One babe. Come on, guys. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! Wait, Sarah. Jesus Christ. Sarah, turn over my back. Sarah, no. You're too bad enough. Jesus Christ. What happened? You guys, I forget that Sarah gets excited whenever the rock paper scissors. Come, one more. Whoever wins this, win. The nervous. Win. Whoever wins this, win. Come on, Taylor. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Papa win this time. You did good. That was a good match.
Because at the beginning I did 2-0.
Come win. Oh my God, Tata lose.
Winner.
Don't worry, Tata. We'll come back next week.
Winner.
Complete team.
Winner, I can tell everybody for the entire week that I kicked your ass.
You guys know this house competitive. Anyway, you guys.
So I'm gonna have to make a costume for you with written the loser. I'm gonna give you a donkey bonnet, and you have to wear the donkey bonnet for the entire week until you win. The winner will wear the donkey hat.
I can't believe some little girl shove on my vase. So why should you break it?
And the donkey
But
hat.
it's so bad.
No.
You are the donkey bonnet. You are the donkey bonnet. Hey, go sit down. Go sit down. Go down the street at school with the donkey bonnet.
Loser. I lose.
And guess what? We are the time. And guess what? When you're wearing the donkey bonnet going down the street, you have to say, hee-haw, 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 hee-haw.
No.
Papa is a
I don't
fool.
want no
Not a thing, not going to go like that. Yes, finish. Sarah said finish.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna have to
Watch out.
and relax from all of this chaos.
My daughter said finish. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna pack out these. What's wrong? This is Friday Flex. Dinner for the fam bam. Oh, names. The name is in the oven. This is samosa. We discovered these a few weeks ago and totally in love with them. And mini pizza. Almost finished eat off the names and didn't show you guys. I'm showing you the what left.